Today we are going to be doing a llama, and again we're going to be using pencil first, then Sharpie, and a combination of crayons and quick sticks or markers, whichever you prefer. All right, just like last week with the flamingo, we're going to have our paper vertical, meaning long and tall. You're going to go to the middle, a little up, a little over, and do the eye. The eye is going to be a little bigger than last week, and it's going to have a circle with the circle up at the top right corner and a smaller one down at the bottom. And then we're going to color in with a black crayon or black marker all but the two smaller circles. And I'm also going to do just a little set of eyelashes. All right, now we're going to go a little over, so a little like a finger of space. And then we're going to do the snout. And it's going to be kind of like a sideways U. And then there's going to be a little U for the nose and a mouth. Okay, now we're going to connect this to this by using cloud lines, almost like U's, connected U's, like this. And that's because Llama has that hair that's going to cover up some of the face. And then it's going to curve around like this. And then there's an ear, which is going to be like a curved triangle. And in the middle, another line going down for the inside. And we'll see just the hint of the other sides of ear. Okay, now this fluffy stuff is going to come around the back of the ear and come down. And then this is going to come down, and they have a really long neck. So I've gone down almost to the bottom of my page. And this, we're going to stop maybe here to do the body. All right, so now we're going to do a leg. There's going to be a leg, starts above, so this is his tummy. It's going to go, the leg starts above that and kind of comes down and then is connected with a U. The other leg that we see from behind is going to be right here, and that one won't go above that line. All right, now this back leg, again, there, and we'll do the tummy, and then we'll see the other leg after we do the tummy. All right, now we're going to add just a little line to show the little hooves and maybe a little tail. Okay, so there is our basic llama. The background, we're going to do a curved hill in the background, and then a mountain peak. It's going to disappear. We're going to imagine it going behind the llama. And this is all going to be snow. So we won't see the top of the mountain. It will be up here. And then maybe we'll also do a little cloud. And if you want, you could do a sun. Okay, once you get all of this outlined, we can start to color. Again, we're going to be using quick sticks for the main stuff for the background, but any detail work, we're going to be using crayons. So remember last week with the flamingo, we'd added these like little fluffy lines for the tree. Well, we're going to add those little fluffy cloud lines for the fur to make it look like he's got little tufts of fluffy fur all over. And we're going to take our brown crayon to do this. And just add them kind of randomly. All right. And then I'm also going to add some shadows right around the legs. So I'm going to use this dark brown to add shadows to the stomach and all around the legs. Okay, maybe some on this back leg and this back leg, and then just a little bit on the edges, right on the inside edges. Okay. Right around the ears. The tail. All right, then I can go back with this like gold color and do all the fluffy part. All right, so I'm gonna go right over my brown details, and I'll come back once it's all done. I left the feet and face and ears because I'm gonna do those in the straight brown of the crayon. Now onto the background. I'm going to do little details with crayon first. For this grassy knoll, maybe just a few grass specks like this. And I'm going to do exactly what I did with the flamingo last week. Start with dark green on the bottom, light green on the top. Okay, now I'm going to go back with light green and overlap. So go on top of the dark green and kind of pull it up. I'm going to use this light blue and do all of the sky. I'm going to not do the cloud, not do the sun, not do the mountain. All right, cloud I'm leaving white. Sun, I'm going to do just a little bit of orange and then go over it with yellow. Kind of blend it, the yellow into it, right on over it. Okay, the mountain, you could do brown, but I'm going to do purple, so it's a little more colorful. And I'm going to leave this white so it looks like little snow capped mountains. And then I'm going to do the whole mountain purple. Okay, now to make the snow look a little more realistic, I'm just going to do some light blue crayon. Just kind of speckled in there to make it look like shadows in the snow. All right, and there we go. My llama is done.